In this video, you'll learn how to write prompts for Base44, a platform designed to help you build applications quickly and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the steps needed to create effective prompts that facilitate app development. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website. In your web browser, enter the URL for Base44 and press enter. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface with various options for building applications. Next, locate the button labeled Start Building on the home screen. This button is usually prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed to the application creation section where you will begin your journey in writing prompts. After that, you will be directed to a new page titled What Will You Build Today? This is where you can specify the type of application you want to create. Click on the text area that prompts you to describe your app idea, or you can explore the available templates for inspiration. Now, type in your prompt or ideas into the designated text field. This is a critical step as the quality of your prompt will directly influence the output of your application. Ensure that your ideas are clear and concise to get the best results. Once you have answered your prompt, click on the button labeled Ideas to see suggestions generated based on your inputs. This action will display various ideas that align with your initial concept, helping you to refine your application further. At this point, you can click on any of the ideas presented to explore them. Each selection will take you deeper into the app building process, allowing you to visualize how your prompt translates into functionality. If you wish to view an example of a prompt, you can find it listed on the same page. This example can serve as a helpful reference as you create your own unique prompts. When you are ready to finalize your input, click on Enter. This action confirms your prompt and initiates the process of generating your application based on the ideas you have selected. To expedite your workflow, hover over the recent app section. This feature allows you to quickly access any applications you have previously worked on, saving time as you build new prompts. Next, click on any recent app from the list. This will take you to your app workspace, where you can make adjustments and continue developing your project. In your app workspace, you will have the option to change elements of your application, including prompts. This flexibility is essential for refining your app's functionality and ensuring it meets your look for the bash store option within your workspace. Clicking on this will provide you with an overview of your app and its components, allowing you to manage various aspects of your project effectively. You will also see the prompt you previously created. Click on this prompt to review or modify its content. This step is crucial for ensuring that your app remains aligned with your initial vision. Next, you can click on a suggestion that appears based on your prompt. This interaction will generate new ideas or refine existing ones, helping you to enhance your application further. Once a prompt has been created, you will see it reflected in your workspace. This visual confirmation allows you to assess how well your prompt has been translated into an actionable item for your app. To finalize your edits, click on Enter again. This step ensures that any changes you have made are saved and applied to your application. If you want to add more to your app, click Enter once more. This action will allow you to introduce additional features or prompts without needing to code manually, simplifying the development process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.